Pros and cons of stainless steel balcony railing for your house. Dear friends, when selecting a balcony railing, we are often faced with a difficult and crucial decision related to the material of which it should be made. The most common metal railings are made of stainless steel or black steel. Stainless steel is one of the premium materials used for balcony railings that can give the balcony a high-end modern look. Pros of stainless steel railing. Stainless steel is a strong material. It is maintenance-free and does not require any painting once installed. Stainless steel comprises a rust-proof layer of chromium oxide over the steel, which prevents the railing from corroding even in harsh climatic conditions. It can be easily customized into any design. One can achieve a flawless finish in SS. It effortlessly gives a sleek look to the balcony. Cons of stainless steel railing. Stainless steel railings are very expensive compared to other metals fabricating balcony railings. Steel is susceptible to water stains. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.